Leading digital payments platform Paytm is all set to make its Dalal Street debut tomorrow. But Paytm's parent 197 Communications may not see the big listing pop like Zomato and Nykaa. Industry watchers don't see fireworks on listing as shares of the company traded at the lowest premium among IPOs currently available for trading in the grey market. Shares are available at a discount of 20 rupees in the unlisted market. Listen in to what Abhay Doshi, founder of unlistederena.com, had to say.
The shares of Paytm were seen trading at a discount of ₹40 in grey market. Paytm IPO was one of talk of the town ever since the company revealed its IPO plan. As the issue opened for the subscription, it got a very tepid response from the investors due to its expensive pricing and the losses incurred on the financial front.
Speaking exclusively to Business Today TV, Secretary of the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, Tarun Kapoor, said he expects prices of petrol and diesel to remain stable in coming months, and that crude prices will definitely cool down post-winter. BTTV's associate editor Chetan Bhutani brings you this story.
The prices have been reduced finally after a long time. What is the outlook that you have for crude prices, and in India especially, how do you see the prices going for petrol and diesel, sir?
So now if you're asking about the outlook on crude price, the crude price currently is hovering between $80 and $85, and what we expect is that it depends on how severe the winter is, because this time the surge in crude price has been triggered by higher price of coal in the international market and also of LNG or natural gas. So the expectation now, most of the predictions which have come from various global agencies, is that the price would remain at the same level for some time. We also expect that, and then it will start coming down. Post-winters it will certainly come down, but if the winters are not very severe, then maybe even earlier it might come down.
Anil Agarwal Vedanta has said it's mulling a group restructuring that may include demerger and listing of the aluminium, iron and steel and oil and gas businesses as standalone entities. In a stock exchange filing, the firm said its board had constituted a committee of directors to evaluate and recommend options to restructure the group. The group intends that the aluminium, iron and steel and oil and gas businesses would be housed in standalone listed entities. This is with the objective of simplifying and streamlining corporate structure. Business Today's special issue on India's most valuable companies takes a deep dive into the rankings of the top Indian companies. With growing digitization, the IT sector has outperformed and jumped a few ranks this year. As compared to 2020, Infosys, HCL Tech and Wipro have jumped higher in the list. Business Today's editors take you through the list as we discuss those rankings. Listen in.
What's gone up is, of course, the IT pack. Dilasha, why don't you come in here and share with us some of the key highlights there?
Yeah, sure, Abha. So if you look at the BT 500 ranking, while TCS has remained at the second spot, the other three among the top 4 IT players have seen a significant improvement in their rankings. For instance, if you look at Infosys, it has moved up from the 6th position to the 4th position. Then HCL has climbed from a 15th position to the 12th, and Bangalore-based Wipro has gone up from the 19th to the 13th spot. And I think the year 2021, FY 21-22 is going to be another game changer for the IT sector, because there is an across-the-board digitalization drive that is there, and that's reflected in there's evidence that can be seen in the double-digit growth forecast in terms of revenue that these companies are expecting. Then they have doubled their hiring targets for the fiscal to 160,000. The deal pipelines are overflowing, and the RBI data suggests that the services exports were at a 13-quarter high in the September quarter. So looking at all these things, I would say that while last year was great, the current fiscal is going to be even better for the IT players. And as TCS boss aptly put it, it is a once-in-a-decade opportunity for the sector.
Absolutely. Saurabh, where do the Adani group of companies fit in on the list?
Yes, the Adani Group has also been a significant, upturn in the market. They've really, the entire pack, Adani pack, has gone up sharply
Yeah.
and significantly. The India's second richest man and his group of companies. So that's been another story in the BT 500, which we've tracked as a separate story as well in this issue.